So these guys' brood box needs to be cleaned again. So I'm going to pull them out and take them out to their coop for a field trip today while I clean it. They're crazy, obviously. And some of them can actually almost fly out of this dang thing as I'm trying to do what I need to do. So I'll get set up and videotape them, put them in a box to take them outside. Alright, so here we go. We're going to try and get these dang chickens in a box so we can get them outside on their field trip. Some of them can actually fly out of here, so they've been going crazy. But so it's literally been like 2 minutes for them in the box, but we're gonna get them out of the box in the coop to run around for the day. Get some fresh air. There you go. There you go, babies. Hi. See, you're okay. You're okay. Hey. Come on. Charlie. It's also a test for my dogs, in case I need to add more to the siding here to keep these knuckleheads from doing anything stupid. There you go. There you go, babies. There you go. Go on. Go. There you go, babies. Yeah. Just checking it all out. We'll get you food. We'll get you water. You're going to be alright. You get your little heater out here just in case you get cold. And that'll be that. So they got food and water. They're over there doing what chickens do. And it's just for today. It's nice out. It's like 70 degrees. They're going to be fine. And we'll scoop them back up and take them inside this evening before it cools off.